Every sunrise feels like gold. Another story to be told. These are the days we'll remember.
This is it,
The moments
Pansit.
we'll treasure. Oh, could this get any better? See the beauty all around.
Mika, try ko. Ang ganda-ganda mo today. Asking. Kasi no, sobrang blooming ka. Ako sikreto mo, ano?
Ano, Jenny? Bakit? Sa games? Akala niyo yung itatanong?
In this wild life, tell me, could this get any better? Open skies, open roads, every mile a new unknown. Tell me, could this get any better? This beautiful life. What a beautiful life. Breathing in the moments, the memories that hold us.
Kaya nung core memories ko sa kanya, special talaga. Eh ngayon, kakasal na siya, si Ate Nika na yung magiging bagong mga core memories. Kaya,
Wala bang hug?
kaya,
Somewhere along the way, we became best of friends. And just like Jolina Magdamay said, in loves kita, okay ka lang. I'm so stupid to make the biggest mistake of falling in love with my best friend. But pray for me, it was never stupid and it was never a mistake. Falling in love with you is the best thing that ever happened to me.
This beautiful life. What a beautiful life. This beautiful life. What a beautiful life.
Madaming nagtatanong, saan ba nanggaling ang pre ko? Hindi nila alam, precious ko. Yun. Di ba? So, thank you for everything, pre ko. Thank you for saving me. Thank you kasi despite ng mga challenges natin, andyan ka pa din for me. Thank you for loving me.
Nang walang hanggan, huwag kang mag-alala, walang magagawa.
So, kayo ang idol namin. Thank you ma sa pagmamahal.
Dalawa, ating dalawa. Hahawakan ng iyong
Family nila sobrang close kay God. Nagsisimba. Lector siya actually. Isa siya sa mga nagpabalik sa akin kay Lord. Kaya nakatuwa na ayan, kasama ko siya mamaya with the Lord. Oo.
sasabay sa bawat niyang pulso. Hindi na kailangan magtulungan. Aalagaan na kita.
Alam ko, mahirap magpa-aral ng doktor. So, thank you so much po sa mga sacrifices nyo. For everything, sa lahat-lahat. Alam ko, sa lahat ng bagay, kami lagi yung inuuna nyo. Love you, Mama, Papa. Love you.
Di ako mawawala hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Huwag kang mag-alala, walang magagawa ang kahit sino sa ating dalawa, ating dalawa.
First promise ko, di na ako magiging makakalimutan. Kasi will be there to remind me. Eh, di na rin masyadong malilate. But, I promise, pre, to pray with you and for you. to support you in your dreams, and to build a peaceful home with you. I promise to love you and to choose us always. I can't wait to travel and explore the world with you, Preco, and I can't wait for the beautiful life that we will build together.
magduda, aalagaan na kita, at sana di ka mangamba. Pwede ka nang magpahinga, di ka nag-iisa, di ako mawawala, hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Huwag kang mag-alala, walang magagawa ang kahit sino sa ating dalawa. Di ka nag-iisa, di ako mawawala, hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Huwag kang mag-alala.
Ngayon, bukas at magpakailanman, pipiliin kita palagi. I love you so much, Preco, asawa ko.
Ating dalawa, ating dalawa.